आता बरोबर आहे. Hello students, today we are going to learn an important topic of the electrochemistry chapter, that is Nernst equation. Now what is Nernst equation? Nernst equation is the equation which provides you the relation between the cell potential of a cell, then standard cell potential, temperature and reaction quotient. This equation helps us in calculating or determining the cell potential under even any non-standard condition. Now, non-standard condition means there is any temperature other than 298 Kelvin, any pressure other than 1 atmosphere, or any concentration of the electrolyte other than 1 molar concentration. So, Nernst equation can help you to determine the cell potential under non-standard condition, that is at any temperature, pressure and reactant concentration. Now we are going to determine this equation by considering the process of reduction of the metal ion. Now if a metal electrode is in contact with its own aqueous solution, then the reduction reaction is taking place as Mn plus N electron is getting converted into M atom, right? So here the Mn plus ion is present in the solution of the electrolyte, where it accepts N electron and get converted into metal atom. Now during this process there will be a reduction process taking place. The work done is denoted as W reduction. This W reduction is given by the equation NFE reduction, where N is the number of electrons taken up by the ion, F is 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb, that is 96,500 coulomb, which is equal to electrical charge carried by 1 mole of electrons, right? So this reduction process is responsible for some work. Already in thermodynamics you have discussed two types of work. One is mechanical work, another is electrical work. So in electrochemical cell there will be a work done, that is electrical work done, and during any work done there will be use of free energy, or we can say free energy change is taking place during the work done. You already know this definition of free energy in standard 11. So here this work done will be also can be related with the free energy change. So W reduction is equal to NFE reduction is equal to minus delta G, because any work done is equal to the loss of energy associated with the system. So it is denoted with the minus delta G. This is our equation 1. Now if the same equation we want to write under standard conditions, then under standard condition you can write this equation as delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught reduction. E naught reduction indicating the standard reduction potential of the metal. So under reversible equilibrium condition you can bring maximum free energy change, or maximum free energy can be converted into useful work under reversible equilibrium condition. So under reversible equilibrium condition we can write the free energy change as delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln of K. This is our equation 3. So from this equation you are getting the new constant, that is K is equal to equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant can be written as ratio of concentration of the product to the ratio of concentration of the reactant, means concentration of product divided by concentration of the reactant. This is the formula for K. Now what is R? R is the universal gas constant, which is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin mole, and T is the temperature in Kelvin scale. So for this equation 3 we have got K, R and T which are present in this equation. So by using this equation 1, 2 and 3 we now can determine the Nernst equation. So now by putting the values of equation 1 and equation 2 in the equation 3, So you can write the equation 3 as delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln of K. This is our equation 3. So here delta G is equal to minus NFE reduction and delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught reduction. Substituting these two values in this equation 3, we can write here minus NFE reduction is equal to minus NFE naught reduction plus RT ln of. Now here for K, product upon reactant concentration. So our product in the reduction reaction is the metal atom and the reactant is the metal ions, right? So here concentration of metal atom, that is solid metal, upon concentration of the metal ion. Now dividing this equation by minus NF on both the sides, then minus NFE reduction upon minus NF is equal to minus NFE naught reduction upon minus NF plus RT upon minus NF into ln of concentration of M upon concentration of Mn plus. Now E reduction, here minus NF cancel, here also minus NF cancel. So E reduction is equal to E naught reduction. Now here plus RT upon minus NF, so it becomes minus RT upon NF ln of concentration of M upon concentration of Mn plus. In this way, we can write this equation 3 in the form of reduction reaction. Now, we have got this equation. We can write the equation number 4, right, to this equation. Now, by substituting the values of R, T, F and also changing natural log by log to the base 10, we can write this equation 4 as E reduction is equal to E naught reduction minus 2.303 into 8.314, which is the value of R, into 298, which is the value of temperature in Kelvin for 25 degrees Celsius, into N into the value of 1 Faraday, right, into the log of 1 upon Mn plus. Now here concentration of the solid metal will be taken as unity. Therefore here instead of writing M, I am writing directly 1 upon M, concentration of Mn plus I. So that this equation will become E reduction is equal to E naught reduction. Now the calculation of all these numbers will give you the value 0.0591 upon N into log of 1 upon Mn plus concentration, right. Now for any metal electrode, the reduction process we can write as Mn plus M. So if we want to apply this equation for any metal electrode, then we can write here, instead of reduction word, you can write in this way, Mn plus oblique M is equal to E naught Mn plus oblique M minus 0.0591 upon N into the log of 1 upon Mn plus. So this equation is the Nernst equation applicable for any of the electrode. If you are taking copper electrode, then you can write instead of here Mn plus upon oblique M, you can write Cu2 plus oblique Cu. If you are taking zinc electrode, then instead of writing Mn plus oblique M, you can write here Zn2 plus oblique Zn. In this way, you can write this equation for any metal electrode for the reduction process. And this is the Nernst equation you can write for any electrode. Now for any general electrochemical reaction, for the this type of reaction, if it is taking place in the electrochemical cell, the general reaction is A into capital A plus B into capital B. On the arrow, N electrons are gained. So C into capital C plus D into capital D, where C, D are product and A, B are reactant. Then the Nernst equation can be written as E cell is equal to E naught cell is minus 2.303 RT upon NF into the log of concentration of product upon concentration of reactant raised to the proper stoichiometric coefficient, which we already have studied in the equilibrium chapter. This ratio, which is denoting you the equilibrium constant. So here For this same way we are going to write for this reaction. So concentration of product, the products are 2, C and D. So product C, concentration raised to C, and product D, concentration raised to D, upon product A, reactant A, concentration raised to A, and reactant B, concentration raised to B. In this way we can write the Nernst equation for this type of electrochemical reaction. So I hope that students, you have understood about the Nernst equation. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye for now. We will meet in the next video.